Ready, aim, fire.
Okay, so yeah, if you get hit, take a knee, 10 seconds. If nobody on your team touches you, good. If they light you up while you're on your knee, that's kind of dickish. While you're walking back.
Go, 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 go! Move, move, move! Take the truck, take the truck, take the truck, take the truck! Oh, my bad. Hey, they're moving on the left! They're moving on the left!
Moving to the right.
Whoop.
Yeah, I know.
Hey guys, be careful of people running up to the windows. There's no one over there. There's no one over here. Stein. Go.
Hey, he's on the right! Oh, hey, whoa, oh, dude, man!
My bad.
It's all good.
I didn't see you.
Semi.
Is that me?
Yeah, semi.
Oh.
Go confirm.
Oh. Hey, hit it! Semi only! Semi only!
Technique.
1, 2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, what the heck? Hey! What the heck? I'm out! Hey, tell your friend I'm out!
Confirm live.
Oh, we count, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 10, 9. Oh, the wrong way. I forgot we count.
What's the story? Ah, son of a
We can't have that.
Who is the person with the Hey guys, get behind it!
Hey. Oh crap, my bad.
Bang banging. Someone bang banging over here.
Oh, bro. It's all good.
Bang, 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 bang. You have a shield.
No bang bang?
Where you go? I just said bang, bang, bang.
Binaril ko eh.
There's a guy in the window. They hit their engine.
Hey, that guy's hit. All right, that guy's hit. That guy's hit. That guy's hit. Hey, they're moving up.
Right side by the telephone pole. Under the truck.
What truck?
4, 5,
Hey, where you at? Where you at?
7, 8, 9, 10. Watch left, watch left. Hey, watch up, right side. 10, 9, 8,
Wait, can we revive you?
6,
No?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you get hit, you have to count off.
Okay.
They're against the wall.
Does anyone have a nade?
Damn it! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Respawn! Respawn!
Do you have a grenade?
None of us have
Hey, where are they?
nothing in the rifles right
Hey, watch the corners.
now. That's it. We're going this way. Right. People need to watch your MED.
Hey,
Gotcha!
go get him!
10, 6.
Where are the shots coming from?
Okay. They want to use full auto, let's use full auto. Fuck it, guys! Full auto! Full auto!
Oh, my bad.
These guys are literally on the other side of the wall. They're using full auto. You want to play, let's play. Loading! Left side. Go. They're coming through the building. They're coming.
Hey, cover the building!
Back side of the building. Come on, just take them. Get in there. I'm back in. Go, go, go. Hey, come back. You're done.
Hey, bang, bang!
No, never.
Hey, who's the guy in here?
Stand and count. Stop running. Take him out. Stop running.
Oh no,
You're red.
Okay, I have enough of this bullshit. What about that guy in the SS control?
Should I go get him? Hey, they have a red. Watch out.
Hey, was that guy in the blue an enemy? Right side!
I'm gonna get that green guy. I don't like my bullshit. Go behind the trailer. Guy with the VSS is out. Hit. Stand on it. Hey, cover. Right? I got you covered. Reach on. I got you covered. Motherfucker, you got me right in the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring him over. Hey!
Wait, was that an enemy?
Coming out, okay?
Yeah, you got it.
Wait, don't you got a count?
Oh yeah.
I don't see anyone.
I'll move up. Game's over.
Ready.